everyone, this is Amber. I'm from Tianjin Xingyu Fertilizer Industry Company. Our company was established in 1993. We have more than 13 years production experience of magnesium cellulose. Our main products is magnesium sulfate anhydrous, magnesium sulfate monohydrate, and magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. Our factory floor area is about 20,000. Our production workshops area is about 8,000. Our warehouse storage is about 3,000 tons. Our output of 1 year is about 120,000 tons per year. Okay, let me show you our factory. Look, behind me is our Xingyu FMG workshops. This on my left is our factory office. Okay, follow me, let's go. Look, this is our 3 workshops. The first one is our magnesium sulfate heptahydrate workshops. The second one is our magnesium sulfate anhydrous workshop. The last one is our magnesium sulfate monohydrate workshops. For our magnesium sulfate heptahydrate, the output is 30,000 per year. Okay, let's visit it. Look, this is our heptahydrate store. This is our 25 kg package. Look, this one is our testing room to ensure the product's quality. Usually, for each batch goods, we will test 3 times. The first time is before production to test the raw material's purity. The second time is in production. The third time is the finished production. Look, this is our natural package, 25 kgs per bag. We can loading in here. It can loading containers. Look, this is our heptahydrate production line. Let me show. This is 0.1 to 1 millimeter crystal. It's white like snow. In package, every bag we will control the coating is in 25 kg. So. Otherwise 0.1 to 1 millimeter. We also have 1 to 3 millimeter and 2 to 4 millimeter. Anna. In this jumbo bag is our raw material, magnesium oxide. Look, this is our magnesium sulfate anhydrous workshops. The output is 10,000 per year. We have 2 purity, 99 and 98 purity. Our company is upgrading our equipment, so we have not started work yet. You can look at our machine. Okay, let me show our monohydrate. 走吧。The last one is our magnesium sulfate monohydrate workshops. We have powder and granular. Now it's production the granular. Look, this is our 50 20 kg package, granular. This is our package machine. Okay, go. We have 2 warehouses. This is the biggest warehouse. Our warehouse started in 3,000 tons. Look. This is our small bag plus jumbo bag. It can load in 1.25 tons per bag. This is our jumbo bag. It can load in 1.3 tons per bag. Okay, the video is finished today. If you have related need, please contact me. Bye.